my hyper and AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work.
Sam Altman and OpenAI just changed everything. Imagine a browser powered by ChatGPT, right at your side. Today, we are diving into Atlas, the AI browser that's set to transform how you explore the web. Stay tuned, because this could be the smartest browsing update you'll ever see. ChatGPT Atlas is OpenAI's brand new browser designed to make your web experience smarter and more productive. With ChatGPT built right into the browser, you can ask questions, get instant help, and automate routine tasks without breaking your flow. It also protects your privacy with Incognito mode and lets you control what the AI remembers. Whether you're researching, shopping, or just browsing, Atlas keeps you focused on what matters most. If you found this peek into ChatGPT Atlas helpful, hit that subscribe button and join AI Simplified for more fresh AI tools and tech insights. Don't forget to like and share to help others browse smarter too. Thanks for watching.